Prince William personally flew his daughter Princess Charlotte to Birmingham for the Commonwealth Games earlier this week. A video shared by Cobra Emergency appears to show the Duke of Cambridge, who previously worked as an air ambulance pilot, landing a helicopter, while Charlotte was seated in the back. The 7-year-old was filmed waving at a car that arrived on the field. The Duchess of Cambridge was not seen on board the chopper. Matthew Syed, a columnist for The Times, shared on Twitter that Kate was on his train on his way to the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games on August 2. I was using the Luon train to Com Games yesterday while my young son waited outside. He got talking to a lady waiting her turn. They chatted, laughed. I came out to thank her, then almost fell over. It was Kate. Thank you at Kensington Royal, Matthew tweeted. In his column, Matthew wrote, 5 minutes before pulling into Birmingham International for the NEC. I used the bathroom. We are traveling first class, as Ted waits outside. As I am doing my thing, I hear him talking to a woman in the vestibule. Are you here alone? She asks. No, my dad is in there, he says, pointing to the lavatory. They continue chatting as I use the soap, then tap, then dryer. Judging by the laughter, they are having a whale of a time. I hear my son telling the lady that his father once won Commonwealth gold and sense that he is brandishing the medal he has brought along for the occasion. I hear more laughter. By the time I am finished, we are only a couple of minutes from the station. Come on Ted, I say, we have to get off. Oh, and thanks for keeping him company, I say turning to the woman waiting her turn when I am stopped in my tracks. My brow furrows, my face works. Kate, I blurt out. There are no security guards in the vestibule, no armed guards. But here is the Duchess of Cambridge, chatting merrily with my son, he continued. We are still going at it when the train has stopped and is on the verge of heading off to Birmingham New Street. We'd better get off, says Ted. Did you realize who that was, son? I ask him. No idea, but she was really nice, he responds. The Duchess had no idea she was chatting to the son of a journalist, so I take this to reflect her character and sense of duty. The monarchy is in consummate hands. Although they might not have traveled to Birmingham together, the Duke and Duchess reunited at the Commonwealth Games on Tuesday. The outing marked Princess Charlotte's first solo engagement with just her parents.